So I'm gearing up, getting ready to see if I can't tear this little house down. So I think I've got everything I could possibly need to be destructive. So I've got 4 different letters, shop vac, I don't know why. I've got 1 extension cord, which I probably need to get another one. I got my shovel, I got a split maul, which acts as a big sledgehammer. I got my big black iron breaker bar. I got my circular saw. I got my cutoff wheel, baby pry bar. I've got big pry bar right here. I've got my drill bits. I've got a rubber mallet. I've got cable cutter, bolt cutter. I got my, that vibrating saw. I got my drill, got my battery, got my charger, got multiple hammers. Got my manual wood saw. I got a, the saw that cuts metal, the hacksaw. I got 1 glove, but I got some cloth gloves up front. I've got my baby powder for when I start dealing with insulation. I've got my duct tape up front. Okay, so I got my contractor garbage bags. I've got extra masks. I've got my protective sleeves. Here's my other gloves. These gloves right here are good for dealing with metal and glass. I got my jackery, and I think that's about it to be destructive. Oh, and I got my big extension ladder up here. Let's see. I'm probably going to need a towel. Yeah, because it's going to be hot. So, got a towel, a leave. I got a leave in there. Oh, I know what I'm going to take with me. Take my rucksack. That way I got access to a small first aid kit. So I think that's it. I think. Oh, there's one thing I need stupid bad that I don't have anymore is a sawzall. I gotta get a cordless sawzall. I gotta get that. But I ain't gonna be able to. They cost a lot of money. All the rest of the stuff is detail stuff. I don't need none of that stuff. Raincoat, don't care. I think that's about all I need. Well, I'm back again. Here's the project at hand. The power's been turned off. The electric is off. The only thing that needs to be done, the septic needs to be separated. Or, cut and capped, which that ain't no big deal. As you can see here, there's a wall. There's the old mobile home. I'm thinking I might be able to save that old mobile home. Not mobile home, but RV trailer. But I'm hoping I can do this. This might be above my skill level or my pay grade, but if you want to make good money, you got to do the harder jobs, I guess. Oh, it already looks like it might fall down. Well, let's go inside. And here's the inside of the little trailer. Which I wonder if this is trailer. I think this is trailer wall right here. This whole thing is the trailer. I mean, look at the cabinets. They're pretty. The ceiling's pretty. It's got a nice, cool little countertop. I mean, the floor feels fairly solid. Man, it's a shame to tear it down. Or, screw with the trailer. Because, here's the front of the trailer. Watch it be like, see? I mean, I'm sure there's water damage or something in it, but it's a vintage old trailer, man. I see the coolness in it. Maybe it can be saved. You never know. Be a whole lot easier just to tear the front of this place down and then hook a trailer or, hook this up and just pull it out. I mean, we'll have to figure it out, I guess. Okay. Like I said, I'm just peeling back a couple layers. Kind of get an idea what I'm looking at. So, that's easy. It's 2x4 framing with foam core. What do they call it? Celotex or whatever on the outside. Foam sheathing. That's awesome. I was expecting it to be like, you know, 1/2-inch paneling or something like that. Oh no. I might have to get some wasp spray though. Well, a guy has all the vinyl siding on this side off. And I got some of that foam board off. But let me show y'all something. Look at all that glorious lumberage. Look at the 2x4s. I'm rich, bitch! Holy Jesus. I gotta get it. Look. It's got 4x8 sheets. Probably 3/4 inch plywood up top. Oh, that plywood. Oh my God. We gotta get it, y'all. Guys, we gotta get it. And like, why can we not save this mobile home? Or RV? It didn't have a tongue on the front. That's what sucks. Oh, damn. Maybe it's got one on the other side. We can only hope. So I came around this other side, pulled it off, or pulled the vinyl siding off and cut the foam out. The tongue was here. Somebody took a cutting torch and cut it off. Damn, it sucks. Ugh. That really sucks. Oh, I'll have to sit and stew on that one for a minute. I need to get some wasp spray. So yeah, and I definitely need a saw saw.